We're thrilled to show you how we are extending coding agents with a smarter agentic approach to CI/CD. We are introducing the Google CI/CD extension. Our extension bridges the gap between model intelligence and your specific infrastructure, grounding the agent in your unique code base. It enables you to design and deploy pipelines directly within your existing agentic workflows. It's currently live as a Gemini CLI extension and as a Cloud Code plugin. Let's now see how our extension guides Gemini CLI to the design and implementation of a robust CI/CD pipeline.
Let's design a CI/CD pipeline for our application. Our CI/CD extension is installed and active. Our goal is to generate a CI/CD pipeline with 2 environments and automatic rollbacks. Our pipeline design skill is invoked. Gemini asks a series of questions. Let's set our CI/CD pipelines to be invoked on push to main and the specific conditions for performing rollbacks. Now for the implementation, let's choose Terraform to ensure our infrastructure is manageable and version controlled. The Terraform skill is now invoked. Gemini automatically generates all the required infrastructure assets. Let's skip to the end and look at the generated files. We have a complete set of Terraform assets. This enables the required Google Cloud APIs, provisions the Docker repository for our pipeline, and defines the cloud deploy pipeline with its target environments, which will handle the continuous delivery to Cloud Run.
The best part is, it's an open source project and we welcome community contributions. You want to try this yourself? Dive into our code lab to set it up in your own environment or scan the QR code for our GitHub repository. We also want your feedback. Open an issue and let us know what we should build next.